Hello guys, welcome back. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to use Magic Eraser on Snapchat. So what is basically Magic Eraser? It is a newly tool which Snapchat introduces us, which help us to remove the objects in your snaps with the help of AI. So how you can fix it or how you can use it? So for that you have to simply open up Snapchat application on your mobile phone and make sure that you are using the latest version of Snapchat. So what you have to do is simply capture a snap or select the snap from your phone or gallery. So after selecting the snap, what you have to do is simply click on this magic eraser button. So after clicking on magic eraser, what you have to do is simply brush the specific area in which you want to remove the object. So here I have already selected the image. I'm just removed these two holes here. So I have to just simply brush this. So I'm just brushing the first hole, and hola, you guys can see it has fixed that specific object. And what you have to do is simply again I'm just clicking on another hole and simply brushing it area. So after brushing the area, you guys can see it has removed that specific holes in the snaps, and you guys can remove any object in the Snapchat by just brushing that specific area or things. So I'm just you have to simply click on this magic eraser and simply brush that specific area, and that specific area or that specific thing will be removed from your snap. So I hope this method find you well. Do like, share, subscribe. Thank you so much. Bye bye.